I go, my buddy.
It's starting, boy. I'm getting it.
Michael,
going.
scope the bubble. Scope the bubble.
We
Right
caught these
there.
fresh this morning.
Yes.
Fresh this morning.
And these.
Hey, look how beautiful it is out here. Out here in a little campground. With the boys, what's good?
Later.
Hey, yo.
Alright, but hey, Gabe.
That's so sad, bro.
No, you're eating this shit, bro. Like,
I'm putting all of them together.
oh, you know? No, I want to eat them
Dude,
too.
you know the best part's in the middle right here with all the organs and the
We have a great fire right here. This is an amazing little fire. And I honestly, like, see, like, this is a sacrifice for. This is what every human likes to do. Right after this. Every human.
All right, here's one of our spots for this trip. Check it out. Here we go. Let's go check it out. Oh my gosh, here we go. Whoa! Dude, this is so sick. Oh my gosh. Boys, look at this place. Ian, how are you feeling right now? How time of your life right now? I bet you are. Look at this water right now. This is so beautiful. Woo! Trying to get buck wild. Woo! Be careful. Oh yeah, it is. It's super slippery, y'all. See all this moss? This moss makes it slippery. Woo! We made it! Hey yo! We made it! We're here! Look how beautiful this place is! Oh my gosh!
Let's see what this does. Let's see. Can he hold himself up?
There he goes! Alright, here we go. Oh, there you go. There you go. Ah. Woo. All right, this is our last day here. Enjoying the Nice of the sunset. Yoo!
Oh yeah, baby.
Hey!
Dude, this is so nice.
Whoa, here we go, boys. Phew. Oh my gosh. We are munching. Let's go. Phew. Let's get it.
Dossy, come here. They look so juicy. Come here, Michael.
Well, give me some dark meat.
Do you like recording this on the GoPro?
Yeah. Of course, baby. I just made a YouTube, so it's gonna go on.
Hell yeah, it's sick as fuck.
Let's go. Oh my gosh. Look how sexy all that is. Yummy. Boy, let's go. We're feasting. We are feasting. Thank you, Eptin. Let's go. You. Let's go.
Dude, this is fucking.
Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, munching. Straight munching. Straight munching right now. Ian, how is it, baby? Oh yeah.
Ian loves it.
Munching. I hope you guys were able to see all that. We just crushed it, as you can see. We destroyed it. Thank you, Eptin, once again. Ayo. Alright, we're saying goodbye. You.